Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a problem on Samsung refrigerator. The fan's making a very annoying noise, grinding noise basically. This runs across many Samsung models and I will let you hear the noise first. I believe you heard the noise just now. When you open the door, the noise will go away. When you close the door, the noise will come back up in several seconds. Now the problem is that ice build up around the fan and create the problem. Now let me show you how to fix it. What you want to do is press and hold both the freezer and lightning at the same time to activate a secret menu. You want to press and hold until it starts beeping. Sometimes it doesn't beep and the light goes off. In that case, release your fingers and do it one more time. The second time almost always it will start beeping. And then you want to select the menu and select RD. That's the one you want to choose. Don't choose anything else. The FD is actually for the freezer defrost, which is the bottom, not related to this one. So select RD and it will run for something like 15 minutes. Sometimes you have to run multiple cycles, like 5 or 6 cycles. But if that doesn't help, the problem is a lot more severe. And we can talk about that in a future video, or maybe you want to hire a professional to do it. However, this is always the first thing you want to try, and it almost always works. Anyhow, if this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.